Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really happy to share with you guys another PR box sent to me from Barielle. Let's open it together and see what's inside. Welcome to a beautiful new season. Thank you for being a part of the Barielle family. Here are the Barielle September-October featured products. Total Foot Care Cream, Cuticle Remover, 3 nail polish shades, new portable foot file, and the Barielle glitter file. Let's start with that one. It's very well made, and on the back it has a beautiful glitter design. As soon as I saw this beautiful polish, I knew I had to put it on my nails because it is a beautiful copper shimmer and it looks amazing on the nails. This one is called Autumn and Soul. Next up, we have this bright creamy orange. This one is called Tequila Sunrise. I've already tried this beautiful shade and I shared it on my Instagram at jennystone.21. If you'd like to follow me there, I'll leave a link in the description box below. I saved the best for last. It's a beautiful deep purple and this one is called Edgy. This is another shade that is perfect for fall. I can't wait to create beautiful manicures using all 3 shades. This next item is the Barielle Cuticle Remover, enriched with jojoba and glycerin, formulated to soften and remove dried, hard, and ragged cuticles. It has 4 fluid ounces, and on the back it has directions on how to use it. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. As you can see, it comes sealed, so I'm going to open up a little hole so that I can get just a little bit at a time. I'm going to put a little bit on a brush so that we can see the consistency. It's not too runny, which is great for a cuticle remover because you don't want that going all over your skin. They also included this sheet with information about the cuticle remover. And here we have the Barielle Total Foot Care Cream for calloused, chapped feet. This is the travel size. On the back, we also have directions on how to use it. And it has 2.5 ounces. Let's squeeze them out and see what it looks like. This foot cream has a really thick consistency, which is great, especially for me because I love applying thick lotions on my feet. It also has a very strong baby powder scent. And this is a cream that I've been using for a while, but I was using the one that comes in this tub. This one has 4 ounces and it's the same cream. It has the same scent and everything, but I love that now I have the smaller one, which is perfect for traveling. The last item we have is the Barielle Portable Oval Gold and White Clamshell Foot Rasp Foot File with stainless steel foot files. It looks really pretty and it's the perfect size for traveling. It comes with a coarse file to remove dead skin and calluses and a finishing file to leave the skin silky smooth. When you open it up, you can see the catcher compartment. I've already tried it out and I really like the way it works. I especially like the foot file because it leaves my skin feeling so smooth. And after using it, I love applying the foot cream. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you to Barielle for this beautiful package and thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye!